Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I just bought this 2005 Sequoia. I'm performing a lot of inspections to find out in which shape the components are. In the previous video we just find out that there was a brand new engine air cleaner. So it will just make logical sense that I continue with inspecting the parts of the air intake. Well, here is the engine air cleaner. What is the next? MAF, right? Mass airflow sensor. So let's go and take care of it right now. And you already know me very well. I will never pull that MAF out of here when the surrounding is so dirty. To make it easy on myself, I will start with unhooking that electric connector from the MAF sensor, right? And that's easy. You just push on this tab and that lets you to slide it backwards, right? So I can put it away and start cleaning this entire area. I feel suddenly way better working in this area. Now, important detail, the normal Phillips screwdriver won't work for you, so get rid of it. You need a one size smaller, right? And please do yourself a favor, make sure there's no dirt in the stops of those screws. Why? Well, sometimes they don't want to go. This one is loose, right? Look how easy, right? That was very easy. But sometimes I had a MAF sensor, this one also, very easy. But as I said, sometimes I found ones which were hard and you are risking stripping that miniature screw. There's again bunch of dirt, so I will get rid of it. I don't want to have it around when I pull it out, falling on everything. And I will continue, right, with these two teeny tiny screws. Now be careful with them, you don't want to drop them, they will fall down. You might spend afternoon looking for them. So look, these two tiny screws are removed. Now it's time to nicely, gently pull out the MAF sensor. And I'm surprised, I know that engine air filter was basically brand new, but because I see so much dust in the engine bay, I expected these wires will be dirty. But if you look inside, they're shiny, they seems to be in nice shape. Will I put it back? Well, excuse me, I'm thinking about keeping this truck. So I will actually really quickly clean it. Now comes the cleaning. I will put on my protective eyeglasses and gloves. I will never use anything else than mass airflow sensor cleaner. I don't care from which company you buy it, but you don't want to spray anything else on these super sensitive wires, right? I love this CRC, it always worked for me. That's the way it is. And this is very simple, right? You're just trying to get to those wires, right? To clean those. I can see it's getting to them, right? From all the directions. And that's basically it, because this one was pretty clean. I'm happy with this result. I did it basically as a preventative measure, right? Since I already been inside. And now I will let it dry for like 5 minutes. After it all nicely dried, right? I will say at least 5 minutes. I can nicely put it back. Install these two screws. Don't forget to hook that electric connector, right? Otherwise your engine will probably not work, or it will be doing something crazy. You will probably got cell, which is check engine light. Now, if you will start your engine and it will have a weird idle, let's say very high idle. Don't worry, that means your MAF sensor was very dirty and wasn't reading correctly, and the ECM, the computer in the car, has to relearn that new situation when this is reading the flow of the air. But it will adjust in a short time and you should be all good. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you are subscribed. I will film a lot on this Sequoia. For example, I will just go and move down the air intake right now and check the throttle body, but that will be different video. See you later, my friend.